Let it glow, let it glow. Wait, will it glow? Find out in today's lab.
In this lab, we are testing how temperature affects the rate of reaction,
or how fast the reaction goes.
So you need ice water, room temperature water, and hot water. Make sure an adult helps you with your hot water especially.
Like a good scientist, you need to crack all the glow sticks and put them in all the waters at the exact same time as best as you can. 1, 2, 3.
That one looks darker.
Yeah, dimmer.
This one looks brighter.
Looks brighter, and then that one's normal. This one's definitely dimmer.
That one's definitely dimmer, and then this one's a lot brighter.
Yeah. So coldness dims the glow stick, and hotness brightens it.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's really cool. And this one's almost dimming too.
So the more colder it is, the more dimmer it gets. The more hotter it is,
The more brighter it is.
brighter it gets.
It's really cool.
That's awesome. Dude, this one's so dim. Look at these two compared to each other.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh, wow.
That's really cool how bright it is.
Yeah, that's honestly really cool.
So, how'd it go, H-Team? Guess what? Sometimes experiments don't work in science, and that is okay. We just redo it. But regardless, I would love if you would share your results to any of our HTH platforms, and then I'm going to give you some feedback. Can't wait to see what you did. Bye!
Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!